This is that Cyanotis cristata. It's a very nice tree of this moist regions, and I mean plant of moist regions, that Cyanotis family, and it occurs in even on trees. I've seen in hollows of trees and all in that Western Ghats region. They occur big trees like banyan and all in the crevices. Then also as a potted plant, it's quite nice. That's what I'm discovering after planting a few of them. You have to create a little bit moist with lot of compost type of dark type of soil you have to provide. But water logging should not happen. So it should be moist. You can put lot of humus and compost and dry leaves also you can put on top to keep the retain the moisture, because they are from a moist place. And then underneath also you can give a plate, so that during the later part of the day, if they drank up all the water, then they'll send out some roots down there, and from there they can suck up that moisture. And then it comes from cuttings and all. A little delicate plant and also slow growing. It doesn't grow fast. Unlike some of that Comelina species, this one is a slow grower. And also it will break and all easily. It's delicate. You can't trample on it and treat it roughly. The stems and all, little pressure is applied, it will break off there itself, like that, but like that. And then it can be trimmed and all. You can shape it a little bit. I left it to grow naturally. And then every day when the sun little bit bright light comes, the flowers open up around 10 o'clock, and by evening they close down. Then that this part, that structure that holds the flower, that part is also very attractive and nice. It's a type of succulent kind of plant. And if there is water stress at all, it tends to become a little reddish and all. And you'll also find it in seasonal water bodies on these rocky outcrops at all. There are these small pools that are formed in the rock, in the little hollows in the rocky places, with 1 inch, 2 inch of soil and all. In such places also they occur naturally. So moist places, nice soil, and then you can give semi shade. Say this place, I kept it here on the balcony, that ledge. It gets about some 3 hours of sunlight, and it is north facing, so it's protected from the too much harsh sunshine. And then every day some 30 to 50 flowers are appearing. Small attractive flowers. It's an excellent plant for these balcony gardens, and even on windowsills and all, I think it can be placed. So that's a bit about this Cyanotis cristata.